The journey of life can be so difficult and complicated for some people. Yet for others, it can be a joyous, peaceful, easy flow. I think if I was asked to say why, what's the difference, I would say it's about our ability to listen. Every human being has this very pure and perfect part of themselves. Many call this part the I am presence, or the higher self, or the monad, or the Atman, or the essence. It breathes us. It gives us life. When we unhook from busyness in the external world, when we're still and silent, we can sense it. We can feel it as love, and we can hear it as a flow of wisdom that somehow just makes sense. Many years ago, in 1992, I had clear guidance, clear intuitive feeling that I had to change my life from being a computer programmer involved in international banking, raising my children, and make a change. But I didn't know what that change was, and I still had children to take care of, so I resisted. Things happened in my life to strip all of that away so that I could then receive and step into the next pattern of energy that some know me for, which is being, so I'm called, the grandmother of breatharianism in the West. This for me has been a fascinating pattern of energy that has consumed me for over 23 years while I've learnt to understand why is it that we can be fed all the time, but in such a different way without the need to take physical food. And then to write all the books about this and educate and share about this. So this is Jasmuheen sharing a little bit about the purpose of our existence, finding our mission, listening to our heart, trusting our intuitive core, knowing that everything we are called to be involved in calls us because it has a gift to give us, which is nearly always a virtue that will allow us to be rich of heart